Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the clock spring in your Hyundai Santa Fe. This crucial component ensures your airbag, horn, and steering wheel controls work correctly. A faulty clock spring can cause these features to stop functioning, so a timely replacement is important. We will walk through each step, from initial safety precautions to final testing, helping you complete this repair with confidence. Before starting any work, safety is paramount. First, ensure your vehicle is parked with the front wheels pointing straight ahead. Next, locate your battery and disconnect the negative cable using a 10mm wrench. This disables the airbag system. It is critical to wait at least 10 minutes after disconnecting the battery before proceeding. Also, have your flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, metric sockets, and a torque wrench ready. Now, let's access the clock spring. Use a small flathead screwdriver to press the 3 locking pins on the sides and bottom of the steering wheel to release the airbag module. Gently pull the airbag away and carefully disconnect the yellow electrical connectors. Next, use a 21mm socket to remove the large nut holding the steering wheel. Before pulling the wheel off, mark its position relative to the steering column for correct reinstallation. With the steering wheel removed, you can now unclip and remove the old clock spring. Install the new clock spring, making sure it is properly centered and aligned. Reinstall the steering wheel, aligning your previous marks, and tighten the 21mm nut to 50 Nm. Reconnect the airbag electrical connectors and secure the airbag module. Finally, reconnect your battery and test the horn, steering wheel controls, and ensure the airbag warning light turns off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.